going on, guys? It's your boy TREA-STYLEZ, you know the vibes. Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, guys, I've got another Cernucci video for you guys. Yeah, the video is gonna be like a lot different to any other Cernucci videos because I feel like on YouTube, yeah, there's like bare unboxing videos and bare reviews of the brand, you know what I mean? But I feel like I kind of want to do something like a little bit different and show you guys different ways of how you guys can style your Cernucci pieces. Also as well, yeah, I just want to say like a massive thank you to everyone who watched my very first Cernucci video, guys. Yeah, like fam, that video is on 14K right now. I never expected it. Guys, like I never expected it at all. Like that is crazy. 14K is like a lot of people. Like I'm shook. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man, I just want to say like a massive big up to everyone who watched that video, who liked, comment, subscribed, all of that. Yeah, like fam, I appreciate that so much, man. So yeah, man, if you guys haven't checked out that video yet, I'm gonna link that here for you guys, so therefore make sure you guys go ahead and pre that, man. So yeah, man, a while back I actually cut the Cernucci Prong link chain and bracelet bundle. I got it in a silver and I also got it in a gold as well. So basically with today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys like two different outfits of how you guys can style each one. As always, please make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe to the thing down below. You guys know. And yeah, man, Lego. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to be styling here is the Cernucci Prong link chain and bracelet bundle in gold. I basically went for this yellow twin piece set. Guys, when I tell you guys, yeah, this freaking fit is A1. Like fam, the yellow in the outfit really complements like the gold jewelry, and I feel like everything just like blends and just like matches really well together. Yeah, I also did go with these yellow shades as well, just to obviously like add like a little bit of an extra touch to the outfit. And also as well, I've also got like my black hodl bag as well with like this yellow bandana, just to add like a little bit of extra detail to the bag. And yeah, man, paired with some white Air Forces. Yeah, you've got some white and yellow socks just to match the yellow vibe that we've got going on in the twin piece. Yeah, fam, guys, when I tell you guys, yeah, I love this look so freaking much. Like fam, this is so freaking dope. Like oh my days. So this is just giving you guys like a little bit of inspiration of how you guys could possibly style your piece as well. But yeah, man, definitely let me know what you guys are saying about this outfit in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to be styling here is the Cernucci Prong link chain and bracelet bundle in silver. So yeah, man, so with this fit, guys, yeah, basically went for this all white fit. Really dope, clean, simplistic. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Not doing a lot, but still doing enough. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man, I basically got this white graphic top here, paired with some white skinny jeans, and I've also got like a black hodl bag as well with like a white bandana, just to give the bag like a little bit of an extra detail there, and to obviously complement the white that we've got going on in the outfit. I really do love this fit, man. Like I feel like this is actually so freaking dope. So yeah, man, this is just giving you guys like another dope style idea of how you guys could possibly style your Cernucci piece. So yeah, man, definitely let me know what you guys are saying about this outfit in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video, guys. Yeah, I really do hope that you guys liked it. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. As I said, yeah, with this video I just wanted to do something like a little bit different and just give you guys like a little bit of styling inspiration of how you guys can style your Cernucci pieces, man. So yeah, man, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, yeah, which outfit was your favorite. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did make it this far, as always, please make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. You guys know the vibe. And yeah, man, I'll see you in my next video. I'm gone.